Good afternoon, guys. Ini po si Samoyang title, Infinite Automated Attendance in Scheduling System. Ini po ang group member ko, Larry Viralde, Nick Pimpenya, Shaila Ribuya, and Lysel Amaro, and ako po, Karen Quaresma. Part 1 po kan Samoyang project proposal. Ini po. Client information, place and place pertinent information on the proposed target organization, unit, or department. Ang Samoya pong organization is Infinite, Innovative Network for Finished Information Technology Enthusiasts. Tapos unit department po is Computational Science Department, BSIT. Ang address, San Juan Evangelista Street, Goa, Camarines Sur. Head of the unit department, si Kin Kylo P. Arcela. Ang nature of business mi po is an IT organization to help fellow IT students to enhance their passion in IT through various activities. Contact information, contact person, Vice President. Contact information po, ayan, yan na po si email and number niya po. Sa data gathering result naman po, igba kami niya, igbiyang po digdiang. What system process are you going to automate in the unit department organization? Describe briefly the process. Ini po, the system process that we want to automate are attendance and scheduling system. In the attendance, we plan to have a centralized data of the attendance of every member of the organization every time that they create activities. Also, it will be serve as attendance monitoring for the student who attend their activity as far as scheduling in in the system that we plan to create, there would be the list of calendar of activities that they plan to do will serve as a member of the activities will come in the future. Ini pong system po, which is yan po digdi kapag halimbawa po member ka kang sarong organization, kumbaga monitor po ninda si attendance po kan sarong member, tapos si si attendance and attendance po, monitor po kang sarong leader. Next naman po is what are its sub-process? Attendance system that can have the following sub-process. Si sub-process niya po is attendance monitoring in and out during meeting and various activity. Yun na po ito. Si attendance po kan sarong member kung pag in niya and pag out during the meeting or the activity. The scheduling system that can have the sub-process of which is yan po digdi si calendar of activities and event planning. Of course, so so day po kang activity na gusto nilang i-conduct, tapos ipagpa-plan po kung anong kang event ninda.
Part 2, Business Rules for Infinite Automated Attendance and Scheduling System. Number 1, centralized attendance tracking. A member can have many attendance records, one-to-many. This captures each instance a member signs in, out for meeting or activities. Every record must be associated with a single member. Integrated calendar management. Member represent an infinite member. Many members can attend many events, many to many. This reflects the members can participate in multiple events. And events can have multiple attendees. An event must have at least one member attending. 3. Event planning. A member can create many events, one-to-many. This captures the member who initiated the event creation.
EDM, or Entity Data Model. The EDM defines the structure of your data based on the entities and relationship described in the business rules. Ang entities igwa siyang tulo, igwang member, attendance record, and event. Sa member, ko siyang attributes na member ID, name, email. Sa member ID, siyang primary key na igwaning unique identifier for each member. Sa name, igwa siya ning member full name. And sa email, igwa siya ning member email address. Sa attendance record, igwa siya ning attributes na attendance record ID na igwa ning primary key na unique identifier for each attendance record. And sa member ID naman, igwa siya ning foreign key na igwa ning reference the member who signed in out. Sa event ID, igwa naman siya ning foreign key na sa event ID, igwa siya ning foreign key na igwa ning reference the event of attendance record. And sa date time, igwa naman siya ning date and time of the sign in out. And sa sign in, igwa naman siyang boolean true if sign in and false naman if sign out. Di naman sa event, optional for pure attendance tracking needed for integrated calendar. Igwa naman siya ning attributes na event ID, name, description, start date time, and location. Sa event ID, igwa naman siya ning primary key na unique identifier for each event. And sa name naman, igwa siya ning name of the event. And sa description, short description of the event. And sa start date time, igwa naman siya ning date and time the event start. Tapos sa end date time, igwa naman siya ning date and time the event ends. So, sa location naman, igwa siya ning location of the event.
So, guys, this is the relationship. This is the cardinalities. One member has one attendance record. A member can have many attendance record. Then sa foreign key constraints on member ID in a attendance record. Event, many. Members, many. Optional, many to many. Many members can attend many events with event and ID, a member ID as a foreign keys. So many members can attend many events, and one member, mandatory one or one member can have many attendance record. So digde, one event must have one attendance record. PDM or physical data model. This shows the tables. One member, number one member. This is the column. We have sa members. Number one. We have 5 columns. The column name, data type, primary key, foreign key, and description. This is the example. in the attendance record, we also have 5, the same as the next ID image previously. Si mga nerd is data ay attendance record ID, type niya, entity type, ay integer, tapos primary key, then may setting foreign key, and ang foreign key niya is ini ng member ID, and optional lang siya is event ID. This is the table of the events. Event ID, tapos ang attributes niya is, ang type niya is integer, tapos ang primary is yes. Tama, yes. Tapos description niya, unique identifier for each event. Tapos name. Yan. Then, baba. Baba. So, ini na si niya, si ERD. One member can attend, many members can attend many events. Then, one member must have one attendance record. And one event must have one attendance record. So, kasi bago, ang pinahiling nilang is si mga saralit lang ini sa ERD. Oto, so EDM to, pero ini si ERD na siya. Medyo kompleto na siya. Yaon na ang primary key and foreign keys niya. Yan na sa mga attributes niya.
Okay, as for the database of our system, nagamit po kami ng MySQL Workbench. So, pangaralan niya sa moyang database na CC5 final project na may laog na tulong table na ang pangalan is yung member, attendance record, and event. Sa SQL code for table member, so pag create kang table member is yan, nagamit kami yun yung statement na create table, then so file name kang SQL or itong name kang table niya which is member, and sa laog ni table na member, ikaw po name, member ID, and name, so name na attributes is nababanga siya sa tulo, which is yun yung last name, first name, and middle initial. So, kung mapapansin niyo duman sa EDM na ginibumi, is ang naka-indicate lang duman is name lang. Yung name, saro siyang, ginibumi siyang composite attributes, which is yun na yung value niya, na tulo, L name, F name, and middle initial. And for the last attributes ni table na member is email na ang type niya is varchar. Then sa SQL code naman ni table na event, same lang kang pag-create kang table na member, naggamit din ng statement na create table and then so name ng table. Si event is meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 attributes na may pangalan na event ID, name, description, start date, time, end time, and location. Ang event ID is, ang type niya is integer and siya itong primary key ni event table. Then, ang type naman ni name is varchar. Ang description, ang type niya is text. Start date and end date time is, ang type niya is datetime. Ang location is, ang type niya is varchar. So, yan. And for the attendance record table, same kang paggibo kang event and member, nagamit mang giraraining, create na statement, and si table na attendance record, igwa siya ning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na attribute, which is ning attendance record ID na iya ang primary key niya, ang member ID, and event ID, foreign key niya na iyo ang reference niya is yung event na table. Then datetime, ang kanya is, yan, datetime ang type niya. Sign in, igwa siyang value na boolean, which is true kapag nag-sign in si member and false kapag dahil nag-sign in or dahil nag-attend sa event si member. Then sa output niya, so ang member table niya is iyon niyo si laog kang table niya. So kung mapapansin nindo, naggamit kita or ginamit ta sa code ini yung use na statement and si pangaran kan sa tuyang database. Ang gamit ni use, halimbawa ngayon naka-create ka na ng database, so dahil mo na siya kay puhan na ma-create ka otro. So, para magamit mo siya is magamit kita ng keyword na use and then so file name kang database. Then select all from member. Ini yung statement na select all from member. Iso-show niya so gabos na column na yaon duman sa laog kang sa tong table. Idiyo sa example na ni, ang kwenta is member. So si member, ang igwa siya ng column na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ini yung mga column na ni, iyo po yan si attributes ta. So column 1, ang member ID, igwa siya ng 7 members. So 1 to 7, siya itong value niya. Then yung L name, first name, middle initial, and email, gabos po siya column. So iyon na ni si mga attributes ni member. Ngunyan sa 1, sa column 1, ang value niya is 1. Value ni member ID is 1. Ang last name ni 1 na member ID is Baromo. First name, Benji. Middle initial A. And yun ni si sa iyang email. So, paano paglalaag kayo niyong mga value na niyo? Mga value ni column. So, ang paglaag niya is, yun na niya. So, kapag mag-insert kita ng mga value duman sa laog kang column ta, so magamit kita ng insert into na statement. So, insert into, then so pangaran ka sa imo ning table, which is duman nga sa member, and sa mga column niya. So, sa column niya, igwa kitang member ID, L name, first name, middle initial, and email. So, ang value ni, then value na keyword. So, value ni member ID na 2 is, yan, ang pangaran niya is, yan, Arcilia King Kylo P, and yan, si email niya. So, kung mapapansin nyo, iyan na niya, so, laog na. So, number 2, na member ID, ang pangaran niya is Arcilia, then, yan, first name, King Kylo, and middle initial P, and yan, so, value ni email niya. So, para siya digdiyo sa pag-create digdiyo sa insert table. Then, sa event naman, yan, event table, igwalang kita ning initial value na 1, ngaya, so, event ID, ang pangaran kang event na ito is meeting, and sa short description, naglagi kita ning niya, meeting for the next event. Then, ito yung value ni start date time, 20, 24, 04, 26, and 14, 1400. So, ang paglalaag ng value ang start date time, which is inyo nga ni ang value niya, or ang type niya is date time, ininot so date. So, may tigsunod kitang format, which is iyon na ni. So, year, month, tapos date, and so time. Yan. So, paglingawan na araw kani ang format kapag malaag taning value na ang type is daytime. Then, yun ang location, PSU. Yan. So, yan na. Then, private ayun. Sige, papahiling ta. Unyan papahiling ta si mismong database na ginibuta gamit si PHP my admin. So, first, kaya pa mag-login, gamit so account na ginibuta. Si sa kuya, yun ang ginibong account. So, login. Yan. So, after ta makalagin duman sa local host server na ginibuta, iyan ni, kung mapapansin niyo digdi sa left side, o yan na po si ginibuta ning database na may pangarang CC5 final project. So, yan, buksan ta. Sa laog ni CC5 final project na database, o yan na po sila og kang table niya. So, iko siyang tulong table, si attendance record, si event na table, and member. So, para mahiling ta sila og niya, so, digdi kita sa SQL, then, so, select all, select all from pangarang kang database ta, which is number 1, yun na member, then semicolon, then paglingawan, and yan, select all from pangarang kang table, attendance record, semicolon, and ulit, select all from table na event. So, kung mapapansin niyo, tigsararo ta na digdi, saruroan ta na lang siya ng command, tigsarabay ta. So, ayan. After mo kanya, click na lang si go, and kapag successful, i-represent niya, o yan na po si laog kang sa tuya ng mga table or si mga value na yaon duman sa mga table ta. So, unin na po ang ni-select all from member. Ang table na maluwas dyan is yun na name. So, member ID, L name, first name, middle initial, and email. And sa mga value na inassign ta sa inda. So, si member ID na 1, ang pangalan niya is Barugo, Benji, A, na may email na Benji Asangre 402@gmail.com. And same naman sa mga following, yun ang stick assign ta. Then, digdi naman kita sa select all from attendance record. Using this statement, yung maninias malos niya. Yan. So, attendance record ta, and biniglagan ko na nga siya, ning mga record man niya. So attendance record na 1, si member ID na 1, nag-attend siya sa event na 1. Then si date, yun si date niya. So, sign in, 0 for true, ibig sabihin nag-attend siya duman. Then, sa attendance record na sarong event, yan, 2, si member na 1, nag-attend siya digi sa record na 2. Yan. And, yan ni si date, and date, time. Tapos, sign in, true, kasi siya, nag-attend siya. Kasi mandigiyo sa masarunod din eh. And then, pag abot naman digi sa event, or si statement na select event, So gabos na value or column na mahiling ta duman ki event is tig show niya. So si event ID, name, description, start date time, and end time. So example ngaya kang event ID na 1 na may name na meeting and short description niya and start date time and si mga value na tig-assign ta duman sa sign niya.
This is the example how to use create statement. Sa example na ni, nag-create ng table na ang apod is attendance record. Then sa attendance record, igwaning laog na 5 attributes or columns. So after na maging successful si pag-create or tama si command na ginamit, pagduman sa database na pangaran CC5 final project, dapat so create na table na attendance record is makihiling duman.
Is the insert into statement member. Sa log ang member may 5 siyang columns or or columns. Si member ID, L name, F name, and middle initial and initial. Ang inot na statement niya ay ang inot na laog kang column is the member ID. So ang member ID ni Barogo is number 1. Ang L name niya is Barogo. Ang F name niya is Benji. Ang middle initial niya or MI is A. Ang email niya is Benji Asegre 402@gmail.com. So, ining statement na ni is siya pag i-insert siya, pag ginibo na siya sa table is arang na kanya ng niya ang pattern. May si ining number 1 niya na dyan sa member ID, ining Barogo is now di sa L name, ining Benji nasa F name. So let's try to insert a new value.
So araw kani pag naka-successful na siyang na-insert sa member, so pag tighiling taning member na ini, yan, dapat magluwas siya dyan. So araw kani, so member ID niya, so 8, successful siya. Nag-pop up na siya ID. So ibig sabihin, successful sa pag-insert taning value duman sa table na member.
Ayan guys, ini na po si may table po kita dyan. Ayan, itatry ta pong ang delete statement which is i-delete ta po si Larry Viralde. And ayan, delete from member where member ID equal
So,
equal 8. Ayan. Ayan siya guys, successfully deleted. Pero i-check ta po sa table kung na-delete ba talaga. So, tig-delete tang. Ayan guys. Mayo na po si
si member na which is igwa po siya ning member ID na number 8. Wayo na po si Larry Viralde.
Let's try to update the email of member na may member ID na 7 into picasso402email.com. Update member, set email, na igwa na siyang picasso.email.com where 7. After nyan, ma-update. Let's check the table kung nagbago talaga sa email niya. At kung mapapansin nindo, nagbago na sa email niya.
That's all. Thank you.